investigate the cold case? Pedro Hernandez? Or is that just coincidence?
The report Machita prepared? Well, I've still not seen it. Paloma must have someone on the inside.
She hasn't seen it yet either.
What happened to it? Someone must have stopped it. Michuto?
No.
You're certain?
Yeah. I'm dead certain. I wouldn't allow it.
I believe this. That's all I needed to know. Someone took a bullet for your Gibbs. But you will take the next one. Surprise.
Well, hermano, do you have your precious report?
No.
Hermano.
My young sister. I guess she never returned you.
You should hear the words to the oath I have to take. I basically have to renounce all my ties to Israel.
Well, you will still be using Val. We gotta hear it, I promise.
There's one in Mexico.